Welcome everyone again. Thank you very much for joining us today on our webinar on zero lubrication solutions in the medical industry. My name is Mike Zuspan. I'm the medical industry manager here at IES. As we know, the medical industry is very demanding in its highest level of precision, cleanliness, reliability, whether it's in surgical equipment, diagnostic machines, imaging, or even wheelchairs. Your components need to meet those strictest regulations, and we understand that, and it needs to be able to offer long-term maintenance-free solutions. So I'm excited to tell you a little bit today about our lubrication-free solutions that we have specifically for the medical industry, and talk a little bit about the pain points that you and your customers may have and how we can solve those problems. So we'll explore our products and, again, your pain points. With the agenda, this will be short and quick for you so you can get on with your day, but it's going to have a lot of good information in it. So again, we will go through an IES overview, a little bit about our company, why we exist. We'll talk a little bit about our different product groups just so you're aware of what they are, the technology and benefits, and then some medical industry specific applications and kind of where we go from there. So that being said, we will get started with the overview. So our global headquarters is located in Cologne, Germany. That is where 98% of our components are manufactured. It's where the company was founded. We have our North American headquarters here in East Providence, Rhode Island. So we stock components here. We can get you parts. We can ship them out same day. We can overnight things to you, get them out right away. We have lots of exciting expansions going on. So new production facilities, we have new storage and warehouses. You can see a video here of a building that we renovated here in Rhode Island. We are going to be molding, and we are molding now, parts here in the United States in Rhode Island. Always doing what we can to diversify manufacturing and keep up with demand and reduce lead time for you. Our why, a little bit about our company, our mission: improve all types of motion with motion plastics while maintaining a CO2 neutral footprint with zero plastic waste, and be the easiest company to work with. So as we kind of go through this webinar, please think about pain points and design challenges that you have had, especially around movement, right, in your designs. This could be around accuracy, material selection. Cost is obviously a big factor. Wear and longevity throughout your product life cycle. Miniaturization, things are getting smaller. Noise, vibration, power efficiency, all things that maybe in your day-to-day work as an engineer, you've had some challenges around, because that's what we want to try to solve. Improve motion. We can help you solve those problems. We just need to know what they are. We just need to have that conversation and understand what you're seeing. So how do we improve motion? Self-lubricating, no external lubrication required. Corrosion resistant, if you're going to have any wash down, any chemicals. Lightweight, quiet. High wear resistance with a low coefficient of friction throughout the life of this material. And resistant to shock, edge loads, very vibration dampening. So again, we mentioned CO2 neutral. We take that very seriously here in Rhode Island and in Cologne. So energy savings initiatives, recyclability, our goal to be CO2 neutral by 2025. And maybe most importantly, easy to work with. We are serving you, you're our customer. We have online configurators, free samples if you're testing, trying something new, predictable service life, and product and industry support. So we will go through our product groups very quickly, just so you are kind of aware. If you've ever seen our portfolio online or our catalogs, it's extensive, it's large, so I just kind of want to break them down a little bit for you. So these are just, again, tools, components that you can have as another design option for you as you are working through your design. So iGlide bearings, these are sleeve, flange, clamp bearings, both in inch and metric sizes. Dryland linear bearings, these are going to be dimensionally interchangeable to many ball bearing options, very cost effective. We have different shaft material options, and all our materials are good on different shaft options as well. So E-chain, these are our energy chains, flexible cable carriers designed to protect and guide cables in moving applications. Chain flex and cables ready cable. So These are cables that are already ready to go. They have the connectors on them, meant to be used in continuous motion in industrial applications. So ready chain, fully assembled, custom tailored energy chain solutions with connectors and components all ready to go to help you with your installation time. Dry spin, these are going to be our lead screws, similar to a ball screw for linear motion. Ball bearings for higher speeds, spherical bearings for self-aligning applications, and 3D printed parts. So again, that is very quick, but essentially any mechanical component you can think of where maybe you would consider using a metal part, we offer a polymer solution to that. We also have a lot of FDA materials in most of our product groups as well. So if you have those FDA regulations that you're trying to hit, or it's going through wash down, being sterilized with a lot of chemicals, we have those materials ready. We also have clean room solutions available as well, up to class 1. The last product group I want to mention is our low-cost automation and our RBTX website. So automated manufacturing solutions, affordable automation solutions, including robots, actuators, gantries, control systems. So common applications, pick and place, sorting, any kind of low duty cycle. These are all going to be made from our standard components, all the same self-lubricating benefits, very hygienic and cost-effective and scalable. So the idea is we can get you into automation without you having to spend tons and tons of money, and then you can scale up from there. Here's a QR code. It's on the website. RBTX is our online marketplace. So you can actually schedule a demo with our labs. We have a lab here in Rhode Island as well as in Germany. Test before you invest. We can show you our lab. We can set up tests for you, and we can show you the robots moving. At IES, we try to be a very innovative company. So we listen to our customers, we listen to their feedback, and we try to implement those changes into our R&D. So last year, 247 new products. As we mentioned before, in the medical industry, everything is getting smaller, more compact. You're having your healthcare providers, your surgeons talk to you about feedback saying, hey, we need this smaller, lighter. We can help do that. So our new miniature actuators, our SLW 0620, you can get these with a motor on them, with a lead screw, both in anodized aluminum, stainless steel, or anti-reflective black. We also offer an all-polymer PFAS-free solution as well in those low profile versions. So we're seeing these used a lot in small, compact blood analyzers and applications like that. So we're also seeing demand for customers wanting more recycled parts, parts made out of recycled plastics, or maybe they want a CO2 footprint for each component. That's something we can offer. We can tell you what the CO2 footprint is of each component, as well as eco-materials and PFAS-free materials as well. So a little about our technology, IES Tribopolymer Makeup. We have over 50 materials now that we make components out of. They all start with a base polymer. So that's where they're going to get the predetermined tribological factors, mechanical, thermal, chemical properties of that material. We reinforce them with fibers to make them stronger. We can handle mechanical loads up to 30,000 PSI in some materials that we have. And then solid lubricants. These are all homogeneously blended together. So the entire part is a wear surface and has that optimized for wear and friction. Manufacturing methods, a lot of flexibility with the manufacturing depending on your needs and where you're at in your design. So injection molding, serial production, we can keep costs down with our molding. We have raw material that we can extrude in bar stock and plate stock that we can machine into custom parts, or you can purchase and machine yourselves. 3D printed materials, again, of our wear-resistant self-lubricating parts. And then, of course, our machining and tool shop as well. So custom parts, big in the medical industry, right? You're going to need to tailor things specifically for your customers, for unique applications. We can do soft tools, we can do 3D printing, or we can do the machining. So great for low volume runs or prototyping before you get into production. And then when you get to production, we can get you to market fast with our fast line custom tooling. We can get you custom parts. Typically, this used to take us 16 to 18 weeks. We have automated that process. We can now have you custom parts ready to sample in 10 days. So that has been great, especially in the medical industry when you do a lot of testing, you have a lot of design, and then you're ready to go. When we talk about our materials and the reliability of them, they are tested. When you have high cycle rates, speeds, accelerations, all these demanding environments, it's important that we test. And we have thousands and thousands of tests that we do every single year in our lab. So when we give you a service life and we tell you how long something is going to last, we are able to offer a guarantee on that. And you know that's coming from this lab. It is not theoretical from formulas. It's actually coming from our test lab. It's the largest tribopolymer test lab in the world. It's REACH, RoHS, and ISO 9001 certified. All of that information goes into our online tool. So all of our components have configurators. You can go on, put in your application information. We can point you in the right direction, and then give you a service life so you know it's going to last as long as it needs to. One of the main benefits, obviously, we've talked about is eliminating lubrication. So there are some obvious reasons to this, obviously, right? Lubrication gets into the environment, gets into the drinking water, but it also is responsible for 54% of bearing failures are lubrication related, and that be the lack of lubrication or improper maintenance of this, as well as the overall cost of lubrication and the downtime it takes if something were to go wrong, there's a failure, or you need downtime to do the maintenance on that. Take that out with our self-lubricating hygienic parts, ideal for the medical industry. So dry running, grease-free, maintenance-free, hygienic, low vibration, very quiet. These are all benefits you're going to get, as well as being able to handle the high loads and long life, and also be cost effective. So why would you need these? It's going to improve patient comfort and safety, enhance mobility in your moving parts, increase efficiency in your components, operational reliability, durability, and consistent performance. And of course, cost effective. The parts being molded are going to be more cost effective than machined steel parts. And then you're going to not have the cost of lubrication over time, as well as not the cost of downtime to do the maintenance. Medical industry technology, a few application examples. Again, this is going to be very broad just because we serve so many different market segments within medical. So please think about what you do specifically, where we can maybe fit in, but I'll try to show you some examples. So lab and analysis automation, pharma, biotech, clinical. This specific one is a customized lab automation, micro dispensing technology. So their requirement is a demanding system with strict chemical, hygienic, and high purity standards, while being compact, efficient, and capable of various liquid volumes with high accuracy. So a traditional manual method with this is obviously going to be very time consuming. With this solution, we're able to break that down, be much more efficient with time, but cost effective compared to like an industrial application where you don't need a lot of that accuracy necessarily. The accuracy on this system, they could handle up to 1,400 bottles per cycle, and the accuracy plus or minus 1 millimeter in this application. Other lab and analysis applications, diagnostic machines such as microtomes, centrifuges, pipetting robots. Again, they require high speeds, compact, automated designs. With the centrifuges, plain bearings can be on the rotor support, motor shaft. They're also going to be very vibration dampening when you're going to have these compact machines rotating at high speeds. Linear motion systems, bearings are commonly used in the linear motion for lab automation and equipment, pipetting robots, sample handling, and liquid dispensers. And they enable that precise and smooth movement and accurate positioning and handling. So pick and place robots, as well as conveyor systems, bearings as you're moving things along the process. So a lot of opportunity in lab automation. Medical furniture, functional furniture that's going to be moving. Hospital beds, it's important that they're very quiet, right, for patient comfort, jerk-free movement, and easy operation for the providers of side rails, resistant to any cleaning and sterilization. It needs to be done with the chemicals, electrostatic charges, a lot of safety involved, and needs to be wear resistant throughout the life of that component. So the igus solution, durable components that are going to help enhance the smoothness of operation, prevent textile soiling, no grease is going to be involved. custom solutions available if you're going to need that, of course. Tilt mechanisms, adjustments, motor assemblies, all areas where there's going to be movement, and we have components that are going to be able to meet your needs there, as well as like motor couplings. But again, cost effective. We know that hospital beds can be a very price sensitive market. So maybe you have an older design that you've already had things spec'd in. We can maybe offer a drop-in replacement or a custom solution to just reduce the cost of that without sacrificing the design capabilities. Other furniture, again, surgical tables, lamps, monitors, carts. These are moving every single day. They're oftentimes being wiped down with some sort of sterilization. So you're going to want something that's not going to have that lubrication dry up with all those tilts and movements, and it needs to be controlled. So being able to control that is very important in those medical furniture applications. Imaging diagnostics, growing industry. Lot of moving parts in it, bearings, linear guides, cables, cable management, crucial in MRI machines, like the patient table, imaging coils. You're going to have a lot of those cables moving around, and you want those in place. You want something that's going to be magnetic free. So that's a big common industry for us with the MRIs. Traditional metal components are going to cause interference in those systems, and they can lead to signal loss, and we're not going to have that with the polymer versions that we have. Many sizes and geometries available, so you have other types of imaging machines from very small infrared or ultrasound type devices all the way up to like proton therapy, where you're going to have room size components. We have solutions for those. So X-ray devices, radiators, tomographs. Again, you need those things to be durable throughout the movement of that. You want them to be quiet. You don't want your patient sitting there hearing those noises. It's already a vulnerable time for them. Prosthetics and rehabilitation. You want your movement to be as natural as possible. You don't want to have to grease these over time, but you cannot have them wear out. You want to know how long they're going to last. So this is an electrical powered prosthetic finger controlled by muscle signals, powered by batteries, made to replicate the natural finger movements of a prosthetic hand. Same with joints and legs and knees. You want it to be natural. You want it to be smooth throughout the life of it. You don't want it to be tight one day, loose another day. You want to know what that's going to be. So again, being able to get that custom fit and give you that service life, that's something we are able to offer in applications such as these. Also, these are going to be maybe wiped down. They're going to be outside. So being in those environmental conditions, being resistant to corrosion and chemicals is also very important. Same within wheelchairs, right? This allows people to get out, move around, access areas. You see now a lot of wheelchairs that can go off-road in dirty environments. There's a lot of adjustments on them. They are almost like cars and vehicles now. So from electronic adjustments, head tilts, backrests, you can see a number of our components that are used for the sliding. Also with medical wheelchairs, again, can be very cost effective. We have a lot of material options. Again, so if you need a heavy duty bearing in one area for like a motor mount, we have that. But if you just need a cost effective, like our Dryland or our iGlide R, which is that red bushing you see there, very cost effective, usually meant to replace like oil light bronze bushings. So where do we go from here? Again, a lot of applications that we can help with. Schedule a meeting with our igus team, explore our website just to see the options that we have. We have tools, we have online resources, in-person application review, always very beneficial. Lunch and learns, our sales reps are happy to do that. Come in, set out some product demos, talk about design considerations, and see if we can help out. So that is it. Thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate you joining us. I hope it was helpful. Reach out, we'd be happy to help. And thank you very much for joining us today. Have a great day.